Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So yes, we are at the Rogers. We're here for another update. 20 floors right here in Kingston. Stay tuned. Alright Rush fam, so we are back at the Rogers apartment complex right here on Waterloo Avenue. And for those who don't know, I'm Rush, the Discovery Boss, and this is what we do. Showcase everything new on the channel, everything positive in Jamaica. So this apartment complex is being marketed as a luxury apartment complex. It's going to be 20 floors when it's finished. It is going to be the tallest building in Jamaica at some point. We know the Accent will surpass it to I think 28 floors, but even for a short period of time, this is going to be the tallest building, surpassing the Pegasus. And I think Pegasus is what, 16 floors. So we're just taking a quick update. A few persons requested for me to do an update on the construction. If it was up to me alone, I probably would have waited until another few weeks so we can see some more noticeable changes, but it's just a quick update. We're gonna fly the drone around just to show the progress of the work. I think right now they're at floor number 15. Alright, so the financing bank is JMB Bank. They're financing a lot of projects around Kingston and around Jamaica. Some of the amenities include infinity pool, bar, sauna, underground parking, gym, you know, the whole work. So very nice development. It's very close to 3 other developments, the Genesis, Parker's one, and 20 South. And we know 20 South was, you know, a major change in the market. They really started this, you know, multi-level luxury living apartment complex style, and then everybody followed right after. Alright, so as I mentioned, it's just a quick video, quick update, quick drone video, so I won't make the video too long. We're just gonna take a quick bird's eye view on the progress of construction. I'll fly my drone around a bit, show you guys some views, and again it's around 15 floors now, so you can see this construction from most places in Kingston. You can see it very clearly from Halfway Tree as well. So I think for the intro I'll fly in from Halfway Tree, but I guess you guys will see the intro before this. So without any more talking, guys, remember to leave your comment. Let me know what you think about this construction. Let me know what you think about the progress of work. Let me know what you think about the design. In the comments I'll try to put a link, so I don't want to, you know, take any copyright pictures, so I'll put a link where you can go and look at the pictures of what the final design will be. They don't have any billboard here to show how it will look when it finish, which is always good. It's always good when they have a nice pretty billboard showing what the building is going to look like, but this one doesn't. What I'll do as well, real quickly, I'm going to check the starting price for these apartments so you guys can know and can tell me what you think about the price point as well. And then right after I mention the price, we'll send up the drone. Alright, so for prices now, they say from floor 1 to 18 is referred as type 1 bedroom, which is 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathroom with 737 square feet. Those prices range from 220,000 USD to 375,000 USD. So in Jamaica, that's around 33 million going up to 56 million for type 1 bedrooms. And that's floor 1 to 18. They say it's 100 units in total and expected to completed next year, which is 2024. So let me know what you think about the prices. 33 million as a starting price for first floor, 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathroom. And the reality is there's no new apartment in Kingston that's really less than 30 mil for a 1 bedroom. So the real estate market in Jamaica, in Kingston, is really on an upward tangent. It's really booming for the sellers. But let me know what you think about the price, and we're sending up the drone now.